Okay, so let's make these coins a little bit more interesting for our collectibles that we're working with. I'm going to go into the coin. In here, I'm going to say spawn emitter, not particle, emitter at location. So that way I can set a location for the emitters to happen. And then I'm also going to say that I want to sound location, play sound at location. Okay, so I want to get the location of this actor. So I'm going to say get location, and I want to get the world location of coins. Get, where is it? Get actor location. Get actor location. It's going to target itself. And then we can connect that location to both of these items. So I have the starter set installed, so there's like ambient dust, explosion, fire, smoke, sparks, steam. So I can choose any of these. So I'm going to do sparks, and then as a sound effect, we have lots of little sound effects that we can use. We just want to pick something. Let's see if there's anything interesting. Steam, smoke, light, fire, fire sparks. Let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to compile this and let's go through and play it. So now if I go through, I get that. Well, that's kind of annoying. The sparks just last forever. So let's switch over to a different... It's interesting, but let's switch over to a different effect. Let's, here, let's do an explosion, and then we have an explosion sound. Let's compile that, and let's try it again. Okay. Cool. So each time I get a collectible, I can get it to trigger the sound and the explosion, and it's going to be based off of the location of wherever I triggered it. Alright, so that is it with this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.